Hi everyone. So today's video I'm going to see about how to build your career. I had this question when I started my career back then, 2017, I guess. I started with an internship. I got internship in data science. So I started as a data analyst. So they were put me in a project, automatic speech recognition. It is a deep learning model. I didn't know what it is. I was completely new to this field. I did my final year project, so I just came into this entire platform. Back then, they were not even have any idea about machine learning, or they didn't even give a damn about it. We started, and there were like very less resources available, and we just got into a few of models in the beginning. We understood how this training, this learning thing, and validation part, the metrics, and some of the algorithms, new algorithms, supervised, unsupervised. So everything was new for me. There were like people who had like previously of 6 years of experience back then. When I was an intern, I used to look at them like, wow, these people know so many things. I mean, so much than me, like without even this field was a thing to me. Then I understood and I saw like true potential about it, and it was a normal thing. Now, looking at people who talk about AI, and they know only AI stuff, right? Like it is artificial intelligence. But before it was machine learning, and after it is data science, and now it is artificial intelligence. Maybe in future it might be like AGI or something. So, what I'm going to what I'm trying to say in here is like building a career in this field is very simple, very simple. All you need to do is just understand like what projects you're doing currently. If it is related to artificial intelligence or machine learning. If it is not, try to find projects related to it. If you are going to pursue your career or building your career, going to build your career in artificial intelligence, just try to find some of the things which is related to here. I mean, artificial intelligence, the projects which is available in Kaggle, Hugging Face. Hugging Face have like trillions of models available free actually. You can make use of that, like you can fine tune it, you can use and build it for your applications, or you can upload your model also in that, contribute your model also. So participate in Kaggle and make use of the data which is available and experiment it. One good thing in Kaggle is you will have samples. People would have like tried to solve those data, like experimented with the data. You can make use of, you can clone the notebook, and you can edit some of it and make use of it, like practice those stuff, and try to find courses in YouTube, because Coursera became you know costly nowadays. I mean, we can't audit some of the courses, and it is not free anymore. So try to find like courses in YouTube. Three Blue, One Brown, I think the name of the YouTube channel. They'll clearly explain some of the algorithms. We can do that. So number one, have projects in your resume. Clearly construct your resume for that. And if you're experienced, well done. If you're not, create experience, contribute yourself in some of the competitions, build network. That is second thing for freshers. And the third thing is try to understand what companies do. The business goals of companies, maybe your dream company or anything, just understand what they do. Just take out list of companies that you wanted to get in, and go and find in careers, go and apply in careers. Some people don't believe in applying in careers these days, including me. I was not one of those. I used to go by any job recruiting applications like Naukri, Indeed, those things. But careers actually works. Career page in your dream company or any company that you wanted to place your job in. Careers, upload your resume based on the job description. You can ask ChatGPT to construct your resume based on this job specification, or you can ask ChatGPT to have a generic resume. It will applicable for any job that you're applying for, and don't copy paste immediately, just modify a bit, because AI is actually analyzing your resume. If it identifies it is AI generated, AI can easily find it out, right? So it will reject the resume. So you need to little bit add some human thing in there, so that AI should find it is actual person. That's how you can apply for jobs. And yeah, some of the blogs you can focus on, like Analytics Nitya, Medium. Medium is like payable. I mean, some of the good quality blogs, write-ups are paid. So just try to find something with basic and free towards data science and machine learning.com. This is our some of the free pages which is available. You can focus on that, and you can go through some of pages that you can papers you can actually go through. It is also available, and a lot of LLM resources. You can ask ChatGPT also with a topic that you wanted to learn, and get a book. Uh, Pearson publication, any Pearson publication books of machine learning, artificial intelligence is good. So we can buy one and have it one for you, like basic machine learning book and a generative AI book, or anything like artificial intelligence or introduction to artificial intelligence. So those things you can actually refer to in order to have one. One programming language, preferably Python, that is your go-to language. That must be your go-to language for machine learning if you are someone who's into this field. So otherwise, you're done. If you are doing things what I said now, you're totally fine, and we will be get placed in somewhere nice. So practice every day. Spend like 2 to 3 hours a day, like early morning if you can, or night, midnight if you are interested. So any day, 3 hours must, dedicated 3 hours. That's all it needs. And practice well, like talk to people about it, discuss with people about it, just find people who are interested about it. So that's all you can do, and learn things like that. So that helped me a lot, and it will be helpful to you also. So yeah, that's all I have, guys. So all the best. If you get placed by taking my advice, just comment below and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks so much. Bye.